Hello friends, I am Fahad and you are watching Fahad VFX YouTube channel. I am here with new free templates. I hope you like it. Please like, share this video and don't forget to subscribe Fahad VFX YouTube channel for free After Effects and Premiere Pro templates. How to import and edit a Mogret in Premiere Pro. First of all, open Essential Graphics panel from the Windows tab. Now add folder of Mogret files as shown. Select a Mogret file you want. You can change the color and duration of a Mogret file. I hope you find this tutorial useful. If you have any question, don't hesitate to contact me in the comment section. and don't forget to like, share and subscribe Fahad VFX YouTube channel.